Oh, welcome, come in. Yeah, welcome again to another 3-bedroom, 4 bathrooms. Let me show you exactly what you're going to find in this type of apartments. We start, by the way, from the washroom here. As you can see, it's just, if you can just see it, please come here, check it out. Yeah, this is one of these smallest one you can just use before leaving the room. Okay, you can also go to the other part, which is very good. Yeah, just go in here. So if you have a big family or living like 2-3 families all together, like you can just enjoy this type of units, and let me explain exactly what. Come. We start all the way from our right side, left from the door. Let's open it and see. First thing you have is bedroom number 1. In this bedroom, obviously you get your bed, you get everything in terms of clothing, and guess what? You also have a beautiful view for the sunlight. It has the sunlight here. It helps you to refresh your mind every morning to wake up in good mood. Okay, let me show you the other one. Yeah, come here actually. So obviously you put your washing machine and everything just here, very comfortable, easy to use. We have another bathroom with a shower, with a toilet and everything. Also, a unit. Now the other one we have is a little interesting. This is a master bedroom, and let me tell you. So you enter here a big, beautiful place for you to enjoy. Yeah, you have again another access from the other side, as well as from front side. You have a big, from the floor all the way to the ceiling, almost a view. So you can enjoy a beautiful sunlight here, and the sea view to the swimming pool as well. Now, since it is a master bedroom, you have your necessary thing in the room here. If you start here, you can put your clothes here, here, and you have your own indoor ensuite bathroom. Let me show you. This is again, this one, you can use it. You have the toilets here as well. Come, I'll show you another bedroom. Now we saw 2 of these bedrooms. One was bedroom number 1, the master bedroom. We have the other bedroom, let me show you. When you come from the door, right to your hand at the left side, you have the other bedroom. Now this bedroom number 2, come here. You have it, the bed itself, everything to put your clothes in, and you have that access to your balcony. You have the access to your balcony. Let me show you the balcony. This balcony is big. This balcony gives you a beautiful reminder. You can sit here, discuss interesting thing in your life. You know? And you have another access to your living room. Let me show you the living room access. Yeah, come in. Now this living room has its own open kitchen as well as the access. You have the other side all the way the view to the entire community. And obviously, you can watch here. This is living room. This is everything you need to know. It's a big place. Since it is not that high, you have more space for kids if you have, for big families to enjoy and have fun. Now remember, since we have the kitchen here, obviously the refrigerators, yeah, the freezer. You have the freezer. You have everything you want to put here. Everything is available as you see, the gas and everything all over. So this one has one more bedroom obviously again. Since we said there's 4 bedroom here, let me show you this one. This is a shower. Toilet itself, shower. Now this is ideal for people who are like more families or people who want to enjoy an experience in Dubai Creek Harbour. Now Dubai Creek Harbour is known for its cultural because this is a booming downtown too of Dubai, and it is also a beautiful long-term investment. Why? Because the community is still developing, and if you buy units, let's say in this 2023, 2024, what you are going to get is that in long term that entire community, the value will go high and high. The reason it appreciates in value is because the community is gonna be more like ready, more people will come in, businesses will move in.